Hello, my name is Caroline Dean. Witches have got a seriously bad reputation here in Fairytale Land, and it's only getting worse since the Hansel and Gretel incident. I mean, come on, people. Eating children? That's just low. The fairies are thinking of getting rid of all magic. They can and they will, unless we turn things around and prove we can handle having it. We have a crisis here. I mean, what's a witch without her magic? We're nothing. Nothing, I tell you. We'll be just a bunch of creepy old hags with bad hair and wrinkly skin. We need to do a major PR thing. Good deeds and stuff. No? Well, then say poof to your magic and learn to use chopsticks, because that's all our wands will be good for. We need to do a good deed. Not just any good deed, but a whopper of a good one. I remember Daddy told me fairy tales can come true, but you've got to make it happen. It all depends on you. So I work real hard each and every day. Now things for sure are going my way.